Hello! Today we're going to be talking about words and jobs. If you want to study vocabulary and to learn a lot of words, you really need to know the jobs of those words, also known as parts of speech. This is the first in 4 videos that will help you know what is the job of a word. And today, we're going to be starting with nouns. If you see a word, how do you know it's a noun? First, I want to tell you, every language has nouns. Your language also has nouns. And as I show you these clues, I want you to think also about your language because the jobs exist in every language. I'm going to show you several tricks and clues that will help you know if a word is a noun. Let's go through each one. First, the basic thing you need to know about a noun is that it is a person, place, thing, or idea. For example, friend, city, table, car, freedom. All of these words are some kind of noun. Even freedom, the last one, is not something that you can touch or see, but it's an idea, which means it's a noun. Our next clue is really helpful, and that's to look at the last part of a word. A lot of words have a little piece on the end that we call a suffix. And these pieces can help you find out what is the job of a word. There are many noun suffixes, but here are 2 examples. Shun, or T-I-O-N, shows up at the end of many nouns. For example, education, nation, or invitation. These are all nouns. Another one you might see is I-T-Y at the end. For example, creativity, ability, reality. Again, these are not things you can see or touch, but they are ideas, and they're all nouns. Your next clue is that if you see a determiner like a, an, or the, somewhere after it, you're going to see a noun. For example, I need a, what could go right there? I need a job. I need a car. I need a break. Anything that could go there, it's going to be a noun. Or the was excellent. The movie was excellent. The food was excellent. Anything you can put there, it has to be a noun. Here's your next clue. Many times after an adjective that describes a noun, you need a noun. For example, I saw an amazing movie. I saw an amazing car, or bird has to be a noun. Or it was a strange, it was a strange day. It was a strange movie. An adjective is a good clue. There has to be a noun somewhere close by. One more clue. Be careful with this one. It won't always be a noun, but it might. She needs, what does she need? You need some sort of thing right there. For example, she needs help. She needs money. Whatever comes right there is probably going to be a noun. So I hope these 5 clues will help you know if you see a noun or if you need a noun in a sentence as you learn more about the jobs of different words. I hope that helps.